Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to add your username for your Signal account. Now let us begin. Do note that we have already logged into our account. In case you have not done that, do it right now. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top left, you can see your profile picture right here. Click on it right now. Once you guys do that, you will be redirected to this page. Well, from here, as you guys can see, there are lots and lots of options. But right now, all we guys want to do is simply change the username. To do that, once again, click on your profile picture. And finally, you will be in this section. And almost at the bottom, you can see a button like this that says username. Click on it. Now add whatever you wish. I'm gonna add something right now. As you guys can see, this username is okay with me, so I'm simply gonna click on save. And guys, that is it. That's how you create your username for your Signal account. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.